But don't worry, by the time this turns into ice cream and we give it to you, all of the liquid nitrogen will be gone. It'll have boiled away. And it'll have gone into the air all around us. The air you're breathing is 78% nitrogen gas, right?
There's going to be fast moving air on the top, and there's going to be slow moving air on the bottom. And because of there's a little bit of a pressure difference, that air is trying to make its way up, making the toilet paper fly as much as it can. Okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to let loose of 9 of them straight at you guys. The best way to do this is always to have an awesome countdown, right? So, can everyone count down with me from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my gosh. We've got bees in here and the honey, and they can exit through here and go outside.
Oh, it's here. So nice. I like it.
Whoa! What? Oh my gosh! Planetarium at Liberty Science Center. Wow.
I've never seen like this.
This is so steep and fun.
It's basically with expanded from China.
Your friend is a tail.
No. Stand up and say hi to each other.
Hello, everyone. Hi. Me? How? What did you say? Oh, me? How?
This is the new Sherlock Holmes exhibit at Liberty Science Center. They said it takes like an hour or so to go through it. You're actually like solving a crime. And there's lots of hands-on stuff to do for the kids, but I think mine are just gonna want to run through it. Whoa! Really neat stuff in here. Slaughterhouse. Ew. 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 Kenzo made it in. The girls are too short. It seemed like 42 inches or something like that to play in there. So interesting. Doc McStuffins. Wow. Oh, so cute. Lots of stuff. Are you fixing it?